everyone. I just wanted to create a video on to help show you how you can use AI and really transform your classes and add a lot of value. I was listening to the podcast today with Jay, Nicole, Viana, and Jan, and this is something that's already been close to my heart, and I've actually talked to Jan about it before as well, and I've told it to a couple of people, but I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, and I would really love to help you as well because it trust me, it brings the best value. I've been doing a lot of group classes, and I wanted to show the value of my lessons, and to make sure that everybody understands it, I wanted to make sure that I give the parents an update every day and I give feedback. So there's two ways that I create feedback. One is I would take snapshots of the class, that we take snapshots of the class and then we have the AI analyze it. And then from that analyzation, give us like one short paragraph. I do that for like company classes that I work with instead of writing the feedback. But when I have like a private student or I have groups of students, I sit there and I just do my chicken scribbles all in the AI. I've been teaching the language model now maybe about 4, 5, 6 months, and it's working really well. So I'm going to run through okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the AI model. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up into the AI model. And, well, actually, this is the letter that it produced. So what I'm going to do is I'll back up right here. So what I did is I actually, like I told you guys, I have actually chicken scribbles. So what I did is, first of all, I fed it the one that we did before because sometimes it doesn't give me exactly the way I wanted the layout. So I like the layout to be consistent. And then I sat there and I gave it chicken scribbles. I gave it the links that we needed. I told them what we did in the class activities, from warm up to class activities to round to closure. How did I assess the class? Were there any links I used, any games? So I threw it all right in here. So this is the note that I give the AI. And this, hold on one second, let me just see if it's all right. Then I have here the feedback, and it's absolutely awesome. And you can see it starts out with the subject. There's the subject line, and then there's the date, and then it tells the students, the teachers, the hubs. And then I want to make sure that everyone knows what they did and how they did it and how does it relate to learning. So we have the Common Core, Common Core State Standard, US objectives, then we have CEFR, the international or the European framework, as well as the social emotional learning. So the parents and the teachers know exactly what we covered in the class. Then I go through the activities that we did, and they just get a quick run through of that. Then there's links with the flashcard vocabulary book, and then like if we did teamwork, which we did have 2 teams, and I showed them who the team captains were and what the team's names were, and then which team won. And then we do shout outs. The shout outs, I take those shout outs, and this is the one here, right here, like shout outs. What I'll do is I'll collect those. So always at the end of the day, I grab those and I throw them into a sheet that shows, each student's shout out. And then after, what's the upcoming class? This is what we're going to be doing next week. So we have a Valentine's Day party and our Valentine's Day project. And then I take all of this and I just copy it here, Control C. So now I've collected the letter that I like, and then I'm going to go over here, and I have workplace, so I put it here, and I have like thematic layouts already done. So this is one from the older kids yesterday, and then I'm going to edit it, and then all I do is I grab this first line, Control A, which is controlling everything, Control V, and it's going to take the letter that I just created, and then I just do Com Sans so that it's always the same writing, and that's it. I've got the letter ready to go. Now the only thing I need, as you can see, the links are already added in there. If you click over any of those are the links there. If you click on it, the link's already been added. The AI did that for me. And then the only thing I have to do is add the video, which I have to do on YouTube. Like I put everything there privately so that the parents can always check the videos. And then what I'll do is I'll just add that link there. I'm ready to go. And the great thing too for here is one other really, really good shortcut that you can do. You have this area. I always do BCC so nobody knows anybody else's address. And I have my groups together. So you can see group 1, group 2B, group 2A. So that's 22 members. I created that in contacts so that I don't have to keep writing or copy paste their addresses each time. So it's really Easy to do. I just click it and go. Takes a little time to create those at the beginning of the year, but once you have it done, it makes your work easy peasy lemon squeezy, and I'm all about that. So they're getting a nice professional letter. AI
I
has
really
helped
hope these
create
tips
it, help you, and I wanted you to see the advantages that we do have with AI. And any cost that you're paying for, either maybe if you're wanting to upscale your models to ChatGPT, or you're using different platforms like Zoom or FunClass, which I love FunClass, they all have a cost. So you have to understand, whatever money you want to make an hour, keep it at that. Any of these other costs are more premium and you can charge parents for them. I even have somebody that pays for homework monthly. So I give them a very good analyzation and translation of every time they hand in homework, and the parent pays for that. So these can all be used for you as the teacher to upgrade your services. And how do you upgrade your services? These are extras, these are add-ons. Do you want to have a premium class? Then you're going to use FunClass. Okay, that's an add-on. That's like a $4.99 add-on every month. Oh, okay, so we're going to do curriculum, and you know that it takes time to do curriculum, and I like to customize a lot of my lessons as well. So that costs money for them too. So, for those, that also is another $4.99 fee. So you can easily charge $9.95 a month. Think about it as school. Don't they get charged for textbooks? Don't they get charged for when they go on a outing? Don't they get So you have to think of it as a business. So that's an extra cost that comes up over your whatever you're charging hourly. And most parents are very happy to pay it. And like another thing that I love about FunClass is you got your recordings, you've got your reminders, you got your homework all in one place. You just boop, go, set the class up before, and you're ready to go. And if you have any questions, just ask me.